Baba, look at that butterfly. It has yellow wings. It looks so pretty. Oh, I see another one with blue wings. Why do they look different? Baba, I heard you were talking about genes with sorrow. But where are these genes? How do they know where to go? Look, Mama! This rabbit has white fur. And that one has brown fur. Why is that? Baba, what's the DNA that you keep talking about? Baba, why some birds look different from others?
Hello kids! I'm Captain AHS. Welcome! In today's video, we'll be exploring the fascinating concept of genes. These tiny building blocks of inheritance carry the information that shapes every living thing. Let's discover how genes determine so much about us, from traits to health. Let's get started!
Baba, look at that butterfly. It has yellow wings. It looks so pretty. Oh, I see another one with blue wings. Why do they look different?
That's because of something called genes, my dear. Genes are like little instructions that tell the butterfly how to look, like what color wings it should have.
But how do genes work?
Well, genes are the special instructions inside every living thing. They decide things like what color wings a butterfly has, how tall a giraffe will grow, or even what color your eyes will be.
So, genes are like magic recipes?
Haha, kind of like magic recipes. Genes tell the butterfly how to build itself, and we all have genes that help us grow and look the way we do.
Baba, I heard you were talking about genes with sorrow. But where are these genes? How do they know where to go?
Genes are inside every cell of an animal or plant. They're hidden in the nucleus of the cell, kind of like a secret treasure chest. And inside this chest are special strands called chromosomes.
Chromo what?
Chromosomes are like long threads made of DNA, and DNA is made of tiny pieces that carry the gene information. Think of DNA as a giant spiral staircase, twisting around and holding all the important information.
So, every butterfly has chromosomes and DNA?
Exactly. Every living thing, including us, has chromosomes inside its cells, and those chromosomes hold the genes that make us who we are.
Look, Mama! This rabbit has white fur. And that one has brown fur. Why is that?
Great question! Just like with butterflies, these rabbits' fur colors are determined by their genes. Some genes are dominant, and they show up even if only one parent passes them down. Other genes are recessive, which means they only show up if both parents give the same gene.
Oh! So, if a rabbit has white fur, maybe it got a dominant gene for white fur?
Yes, exactly. White fur is probably a dominant trait for that rabbit. But if the other rabbit has brown fur, it could be that the brown fur gene is recessive. So, it needs two brown fur genes, one from each parent, to show up.
So, if a rabbit gets one brown gene and one white gene, what happens?
If the brown fur gene is recessive, the white fur gene will show up, because dominant traits win. That's why some rabbits might look different, even if they have the same parents.
Baba, what's the DNA that you keep talking about?
DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it's the molecule that carries all the instructions for how living things are made. Think of it as a very long code with billions of letters that tell your body how to grow, what color your hair is, and even how tall you will be.
So DNA is like the alphabet for genes?
Yes, exactly. It's like a super important recipe that tells your body what to do. The DNA is inside the chromosomes and holds all the information for your genes.
Baba, why some birds look different from others?
That's a special case. Sometimes, genes can change or get a little mixed up. This is called a mutation. Mutations happen naturally, and they can create new traits. Different birds might have a mutation in their genes that gives it these special colors.
So, mutations are like surprises?
Exactly. Mutations are like surprises that can create new traits. Sometimes these changes can help an animal survive better in its environment, which is why some animals look different over time.
Now it's the time for quiz. Are you ready for a fun quiz to test what you've learned about genes? Let's see if you've got what it takes. It's quiz time. What are genes like? A. Magic recipes. B. Car engines. C. School books. The correct answer is A. Magic recipes. Genes are like magical recipes. They give us the instructions for how we look and grow. Where are genes found? A. In the sky. B. Inside every cell. C. On the outside of animals. The correct answer is B. Inside every cell. Genes are found inside every cell, not in the sky or on the outside of animals. What is DNA? A type of animal. B. Long code with instructions. C. A type of food. The correct answer is B. Long code with instructions. DNA is not a type of animal or food, but a long code with instructions that tells our cells how to function and grow. What is a dominant gene? A. Hidden gene. B. A gene that needs both parents. C. A gene that shows up even with one parent's help. The answer is C. A gene that shows up even with one parent's help. A dominant gene is a gene that shows up even with just one parent's help. What is a mutation? A. A type of food. B. A change or mix-up in genes. C. A body part. A mutation is not food or a body part, it's a change or mix-up in genes. So, the correct answer is B. A change or mix-up in genes. Next time, we'll dive into the concept of phenotype, understanding how those genes show up in the world around us. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.